Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a box of goodies. And it's so funny because I hadn't bought anything in a few years. Like I would buy once a year. So I guess this is my once a year because usually I would buy at Crop and Create and it's not going on right now. So this is kind of like my once a year, buy everything I want and then I'm going to spend the rest of the year using it. Okay, so let's get started. This is from Simon Says Stamp. There's going to be a few videos, probably one, every couple days or whatever, because I got a couple of orders. So first of all, this could be called, again, a Ranger or Tim Holtz haul because there's a lot. Okay, so this is some distress tags. They're mixed media tags, number 8 from Ranger. Okay, because I'm playing a whole lot more with mixed media stuff. I got a template. It's a heart template. And a lot of this is for my Patreon. We're doing techniques and tools Tuesdays and Thursdays. And also Scrapathon 9 starts on March 1st. And we're going to be using a lot of this stuff because 31 layouts. And I think I have 14 techniques up to now. Okay, so this is from, what is that? All and Create. Okay. I never heard of them before, but I just love the template. It's a nice little template, so I got that. I got some distress crayons. This is the newer colors. So I think it's Salvage Patina, Kitsch, and Prize Ribbon. Yeah. So these are the new colors. So I wanted to get that. Talking about the new colors, I wanted them in the small distress ink. If you remember my last haul, I got a new little case. This was for these. So this has Speckled Egg, Crackling Campfire, Rustic Wilderness, and Kitsch Flamingo. Yeah. Then I got some more Enamel Accent in black and white, because that's probably the two colors that I'm kind of going to do a lot of. And if you haven't seen my video where I talk about, making my own enamel dots, which by the way, I'm loving those. I find they're a good quality. Like they're not, if you check them the next day, they feel pretty soft. But if you leave them a long, amount of time, they're fine. I mean, for the amount that I'm saving, and I love it that it's on this, little paper, because then I'm not wrecking them when I'm taking them off. So I got some Enamel Accents. I got more stuff for mixed media. I got some texture paste from Tim Holtz, the Distress Texture Paste in matte. And I also got Crackle, and I can't wait. These are two that we're going to use during the Scrapathon 9. We got some Collage medium, which we're going to be using too. Some Distress Resist Spray Stain. Going to be using that. I got a whole collection of Distress Oxide because you can buy them by collection. And I figure, you know what? I know I want them all, so I'm just going to buy a collection here and there. And then next time I order, I'll order the refills for all of them. And then eventually I'll have them all. I was doing really good at, starting to get them, and then I just kind of stopped. So this is the ones that I got this time. There's Mowed Lawn, Stormy Sky, Old Paper, Ground Espresso, Tumbled Glass. Now, I like that there's a nice variety in each. Like they didn't put all the yellows together or all the reds. Mustard Seed, Burned Door, Ripe Persimmon, Spun Sugar, Tea Dye, Dusty Concord, and Crushed Olive. So that's a nice variety of colors. Then I got some templates from Pink Fresh Studio, and it's star templates. And can you tell, like there's 3 different ones, and it goes from this size to very small. So I am loving that. I don't know if you can tell here, but there's 3 layers. So you'll be able to, loving that. Then from Tim Holtz, I got some snippets, ephemera pack. There's like 111 pieces in there, so yay. I did get some Distress Oxide refills, and those are for some that I had here already, and I didn't have the refills, and I kind of figured they're probably getting pretty dry. So Spice Marmalade, Bundle Sage, Gathered Twigs, and Wilted Violet. I still have to get a few more. And then I got some Distress Collage Medium in matte in the bottle, because you can squeeze it out and you can use it as a glue, or you can use a paintbrush with this one. So I got both. Oh, and then I was out of these mini ink blending foams, so I got the flat ones and I got the domed ones. I want to try this. Is my first time using the dome, so I'm looking forward to that. Then I got some layering templates from Tim Holtz. This is the mini collections, and this is set 28, and there's 3 templates in there. And then for these templates, I got, where is it? These. Tim Holtz uses these to kind of tie them together. So some cable binders, I got 3 of those. Or it comes in a package of 3. And then I got some blending brushes. And what I like about these is that you can control like the length of your bristles. So you can make them smaller so that it's more intense, or you can open it right up so that they flop around more. So I'm going to be getting some for all, I'll have one for the blues, one for the browns, one for the purples. And then I want some for my crayons and for my ink pads. So we'll do that. So I started with 2. And then I got some mini misters. And then I got some more Nuvo drops. I only got 3 just to try some with the glitters. I got some white one. I got some turquoisey one. And I got this purplish one. And then I got this because I want to use my crayons and I want to make myself an ink palette. So I went and got this, and I'll probably get another one because you can do this with your re-inkers. You can put some alcohol inks and then use them as a watercolor palette. So I'll probably get a couple more. Every time I order, I'll just order one of those. And then I got some Distress Collage brushes. Okay, so that's going to go with this. And there's 3 sizes. I just decided to get all 3 sizes. But that's it. I think I'm going to stop it here. I got quite a bit more to do, but that'll be in a different video. So this was my order from Simon Says Stamp. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.